Alright, so here is a cup of water here, and it's just a regular temperature. So right now we will check the temperature first. So we can see the temperature even though everywhere of the water is just about 76.
Yeah, 76.
Alright. So then I will put this cup of water inside to the microwave oven and to reheat it about 1 minute. Alright, time's up. And so here is a cup of water that already heated. So right now we want to check the temperature again and to see what happened here, and to see is the temperature of this water really in everywhere is different temperature. So first we will see the temperature of the water. It's about 120 yeah, about 121. And we will try the top of this water. It's also right.
Yeah.
So not really a big change. How about the different place? See, it's also around 120.
Yeah, it's the same.
And how about this part? It's also around that kind of 120. So in this experiment, that it shows us it's not everything that reheat from the microwave oven. It will be like to reheat from the inside to outside of the food, and also the inside and the outside of the food is not really different.
Thank you.